In this video, we're going to show you how to install and pair the gateway to the SCS controller. The gateway comes with double-sided adhesive tape on the back for easy installation. You can also use screws if you prefer. They are not included. Please install the gateway at the bottom of the cooler, on the sidewall. It also comes with two blue connectors, which are used to power the gateway by connecting to the neutral and hot wires inside the cooler. Connect the wires from the gateway to the neutral and hot wires inside the cooler using the supplied connectors. Please remove the QR code located on the front of the gateway and save it for later, as we will scan this QR code to pair the gateway with the SCS controller. Next, open the Field app. Enter your 4-pin number. Select the controller you want to use for this pairing, and follow the instructions on the screen. The first step is to select the brand. The brand is Coca-Cola, so go ahead and tap on Select Brand. As you can see, it also displays Liberty Coca-Cola. This is just an example for the video. Next, enter the serial number. This is the same as the gateway serial number. Tap Edit. Use the QR code you saved earlier and scan the barcode, or type it in manually. For this example, we'll enter P123 and press Save. Our next step is to enter the address. This allows us to keep track of the cooler's location. When the green screen appears, tap anywhere on it to bring up the address options. You can choose Use Google Address, or you can type the address manually at the top. Once that is completed, tap Save. Next, open the menu, the 3 bars, and select Firmware Update. The update is required so the gateway can communicate with the SCS controller. Select Cloud Store, just below the home icon. Then select the most recent firmware. Tap Download. Once the download is successful, press OK. Then go to Firmware Update under the Coca-Cola icon. Tap Select Image File. Choose the firmware just downloaded, tap Select, and then tap Start Update. This update may take approximately 7 to 8 minutes. It's very important that you wait until the progress bar reaches 100% and do not perform any other action during this time. Finally, once it reaches 100%, return to the menu, the 3 bars, and tap Disconnect. This completes the installation and pairing of the gateway.